mint snuff if you wanted to do it.
Hey guys, today I'm making a video. I'm in my cave, my bro cave with my fire. Pretty kind of trashy in here, but I like it here. Like, look at these seats. Like, I'm gonna be watching Netflix probably like for 5 hours in here, drinking water. Look at this fucking thing. Paper. Well, kind of. It's pretty good, but kind of pretty bad. I didn't know, but my dad built this and like, yeah, he keeps rebuilding it and like, I didn't even know it was broken. There was a bunch of rocks on the ground, but he just told me it broke. Like, I didn't even know it was broke. It looks good to me. Gotta rebuild it. It's not even. Yeah, I rebuilt it a little better. A lot of rocks on the floor. I guess I put them on the side of this. I got a lot of stuff in here to burn. Old clothes that fucking are nasty. Tiny brick. Look at that clothes. Big bonfire. That's cute. Yoo-hoo! Yoo! There we go. Oh. There's a plastic plate. I can tell it's... Oh, shit. Oh, what doing? What doing? That's pretty good. Oh, here's some more paper. Get the fuck in there. Get, right, bitch! 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 It's kind of like very smoky in here. Bitch! Here's an old Minecraft shirt. Well, screw Minecraft. Minecraft's over. Fuck the Minecraft. So many papers in here. My friend Andrew was scared to even go in here because he said that I was gonna die if I did. Bitch, you fucking bitch, finally. Yeah. Yeah, I got rocks piled right here. You like my boots? Pretty good, they're waterproof. Yeah, screw you, Minecraft. Piece of plastic. Ooh. Bye-bye, paper. Like, look at that. That's good. That is cute. Melting the plastic right here. Fire is actually better. Like, every single time I try to do something cool, it goes to crap. But when my friends are not here, it's all freaking amazing. Like, I'm wearing a piece of chocolate. Not eating it because I don't know who had it before me. Burn, you Easter shit. Big fire there. It's pretty cute. Stay back, peace. Oh, God. Bob Saget. That's good. There's a lot of plastic in here. Yeah, just hold this for a second. Oh, there's a burning piece of paper in there. Yeah, it just melts up. Yeah, you should subscribe to this good old boy 64. He's a good friend of mine. Fucking still. Piece of shit. Fuck. I gotta smoke some eyes. Fuck. I don't feel good. Well, this box right here, I'm gonna have to tear up and put in there. Fuck. Pretty good. I was doing bad this morning when I was making a fire. Here's some bark. Some real wood. Real fire stuff. Hey, look, it's burning. I need to burn a lot of the styrofoam because it's in the way. Here's what. Yeah, I'm picking all this styrofoam up to put in there. leave a big old fireball mess. I don't know what to do about this. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe. And I'll be making more videos because that's what I do. Pack-a-choo, pack-a-choo, spin.